What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So here it is, the final kind of like final video for this. I just want to show you guys kind of what it looks like. So here's the S1000RR, two Titan ramps, Pitbull TRS system, and as you can see, secure with turnbuckles on both sides. And what else can I say? So I have the ramps resting right directly onto the board, and then like just the bike just rides up it nicely, while the TRS system is already attached to the bike. Because it's rearward, you can hang it to one of these points, either down here, or like kind of like put some tape on this and hang it on your exhaust thing, and you can ride the bike with this already on. When you're up here, all you have to do is unhook it and then drop it down, and it'll just kind of latch into the latches automatically. Flip it. It took like literally 10 seconds. So once I'm up here, 10 seconds, plop, 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 then it's already secure. I don't have to do anything. So that's the part that I love about this. So it took a while to get here, but like to figure out like a solution that will work for me. I chose this wood situation because you can easily remove it. Also, it's very easy to do. Home Depot stuff, turnbuckles, the wood, a carabiner that's like industrial strength, like they use those for trailers. So and you're secured directly to the D-rings. This D-ring doesn't flip over or anything like that, so it's fixed like this. So there's no play at all. The wood is exactly the length of the wheel wells, so there's no play in there either. So I still haven't figured out how to properly secure this without it wiggling around. Right now it's just a rough kind of tie down with some bungee cord, but I still have to figure that out. But you can see all the room that you have here. You have a shelf there for your helmet, gloves, your suit. You can hang it on the hooks here. It's just the van is perfect for it. 2010 era Transit Connect is perfect for it. You got the height. I know the later ones have the longer wheelbase, but I rather have the height, because walking into here, I'm 6'2". It's already, I have to hunch over already to get in here, and I can't imagine it on the shorter one. So this is like the ultimate van, where it's like you can actually still park this in your garage. It fits in a normal garage. You can have basically after a track day, like I can just like not unpack anything, leave the bike here for the next time that I feel like unpacking it. That's kind of like the whole reason why I did this, because I'm tired at the end of the day, after a track day, and I have to unpack everything, put everything away just so I can get into the garage. I really hate. I started to hate track days because of that, and having a van is just amazing. So even also, let's see, when you you still have space over here. You have space. You can still have space to put your stuff, your cooler, whatever, gas can or whatever like that. I mean, you shouldn't be driving with your gas inside your cab, but yeah. And I like driving like this, and I can look at my bike. Actually, I kind of like that. I like seeing my bike like here next to me, on the way to the track or something. The front is completely free, but as you can see, if I move the bike, the whole van moves. That's how secure it is. So the weak point, I would say, is either the wood or the D-rings. So if the D-rings fail or the wood fails, and that's kind of like my only situation. But this is a very strong wood, and I've seen people use kind of, I don't know, whatever basic wood you can find on Home Depot, and this is like super heavy. Like, I don't know, it's just super heavy wood. I hope it doesn't fail, but I don't think it will. So I have it affixed. Turnbuckles there, and it's weighed down by the bike already. There's not a lot of there's no movement at all. Like, I'm shaking the whole van trying to move the bike here. So it just takes me a little bit of a practice getting the bike into here, when ducking down and all that stuff. It's just all muscle memory, I think, at this point, because I'm used to the trailer. On the trailer, I just ride up. I mean, it's easy, but then it's cumbersome to tow a trailer, and you have to go like somewhat the speed limit. But this one, you don't see it. So I want to show you guys the what it looks like when it closed. Right here, this is the clearance that you have. you basically just have enough to close the door. So, and I have the seat rolled all the way forward, and I have that platform there. That black platform is not stock to the Transit, but most Transit with the upfitter setup usually have an extended platform like that there. So hopefully you can find one if you're looking for this setup. Find one that has an extended, or you buy one yourself. You need that for this size Transit. So there it is. That's all I can show you, really. 5-minute video. I mean, there's not much else to talk about. You can actually beef up this setup here by adding more pockets, net pockets here. So if you want like a nice suit coat hanger, put it right here. So when you're on a track day, I would say like have my suit like hanging over here and a helmet hook over here. So it's like, you know, it looks very official. Have some graphics in here. Like, I think this is going to be so set up, and I can't wait to use it. But we are in the off season. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, Titan ramps, the best. I probably don't need two, but I want it to be secure, and I want to walk with the bike. I don't want to be off balance. So yeah, I bought two. I know it's expensive, but it's better security than not having it and feeling sorry later because I dropped my bike on myself. Yeah. I just love it. I just love the setup. I love seeing the bike when I look to the right side. It's like saying hi. Hey. All right, that's it. I don't know what else to show you. It's pretty much what it is. I really recommend this Pitbull TRS. You can mount this on the front of the rear wheel too, but this is the best solution. It's on the back side. That's the best. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this up, and I'm gonna go for a test drive it around, put some G's on it, like try to turn a little bit quick and see how it shakes or not shake. Yeah, let's just check it out. All right, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I know everything pretty much about this van now because I've been working on it. So if you need some help on it or ideas, let me know. All right.